Brock, we heard from Liu He yesterday talking about more reforms, stepped-up reforms. Didn't give us many details. What do you expect those to be?
Well, I'm not sure that reforms are really at the top of the to-do list right now. I think it's really more about consolidating power in Beijing, getting the new team set up, and after that happens, I think then there'll be a general consideration of reform.
And in terms of what we're seeing with the currency, I mean, we went past, what, 6.37 roundabout in terms of the fix today. Further strength of the currency, almost closing into those pre-2015 devaluation highs. How much strength, more strength, can they stomach, the Chinese?
Well, look, what you're really going to find in the coming year is that becomes an interest rate issue. And I think that the U.S. Fed has plans for 2018 that will have dramatic impact on both Chinese rates and currency issues. And it should be, I think, quite a problematic issue and year for China coming up.
Well, they have two bad options, the PBOC. If
they have only bad options.
They only have bad options. Right?
Right.
What's the lesser bad? I mean, do they follow the? I mean, would it be a good idea to follow the Fed, or do they do what they used to do and not pay attention to what the Fed did and just did a little tweak?
Well, the Fed has been normalizing and has promised us a series of 3 rate increases to be expected in 2018. If the PBOC doesn't follow along, then you will see currency pressures, RMB outflow pressures that become enormous. Inbound FDI should slow, and the bond market route should continue. So that's not a very attractive option. If the PBOC does follow along, then what you see are debt-intensive sectors, such as steel, coal, real estate, SOEs, SMEs, that all get pushed one step closer to insolvency, and then you may have to revisit annual growth projections, which again is not a pleasant-sounding option. So the PBOC is somewhat in a vice. What will they do in a situation where they have little control and only bad options? I think they revealed their strategy in December.